At 6th Avenue Storytelling, we help build brands by sharing stories that make an impact. Footnotes is our bi-weekly email where we share with you our best tips, tricks, and steps for growing a business so you can start growing yours today. I'm here today to talk to you about the difference between ads versus stories. I think the mistake that most businesses make with their communication, whether it's social media, whether it's email, whether it's their print collateral, is they treat all of those things like advertising. And what I mean by that is they show up, they say, here's my product, come buy my product. Here's my product, come buy my product. And if you're saying that, people will tune out. We're so inundated, we are a culture that's so inundated with advertising that as soon as someone starts selling us something, I want to tune out, I don't want to follow. So the trick is to talk about your product in a way without saying, come buy it. So if I was selling coffee, if I was a coffee shop, instead of saying, here's my cup of coffee, come buy it. Here's my cup of coffee, come buy it, which is what most people do, is you would say, here's my cup of coffee and here's where it came from. Or here's my cup of coffee and here's how it makes you feel. Or here's a cup of coffee and here's Joe the barista and here's his story who poured you the cup of coffee. Or here's John, our regular, drinking that cup of coffee and here's a little bit of story about him. So the trick is, don't just tell people, come buy this, come buy this, come buy this. If you do that, people will tune out. Share stories about what that coffee, what your product, what your service, how that makes people's lives better.